Okay, after you've had an opportunity to really explore with some of the different lines and the different sounds, and I mean, 4 measures is good. If you want to do more, you can. But I would like to see you have at least 3 different sounds uh, throughout your score. And it can be any combination of bass notes, bass drum notes, snare drum notes, cymbals, tom-toms, all the different sounds that these lines and spaces represent. I would like to see you in your note section to be able to use the quarter note, the eighth note, the 16th notes. Now, one thing I'm not sure if I mentioned, in fact, I know I didn't. If you want to turn something into a rest, let's say you want this to be a rest, a quarter rest specifically. Since it's a quarter note, if I press the delete key, it automatically takes the note out and turns that into a rest. You can undo to put it back, or you can simply take your mouse. I'm going to move it over, the highlight over, and take my mouse, put it on top of the line, and then put my quarter note back. Make sure that the quarter note is selected in the notes menu. If you have a different note selected, when you click there, it's going to place the note that you have highlighted. And right now I have the quarter note highlighted. Again, remember, this number here does not mean that is the beat value. Okay? All right. Okay. So that's it. Have fun, layer, create a nice rhythm, and when you have finished your creation, make sure your name is on it, not Miss Bird. You're going to go to this button here, just that simple, and you're going to click it, turn in. Now, I haven't done this before, so I'm going to do it now, and we'll see what happens, okay? So I'm clicking it. It says, turn in your work. Your music score will be turned in on Google Classroom, okay? Simply click on Turn In below to submit your assignment. So this is the assignment that we're working on now, okay? Project number 1, explore and create. This is the score that will be attached, okay? And then if you want to make comments here, you can. And now we're going to click, I'm going to put a comment to myself. Well done. All right, I'm going to click turn in. Let's see what happens. Turning in. Okay, congrats, you're awesome. You just turned in your work. Your teacher has now access to your score and can give you some feedback. View on Google Classroom. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so when you go back into your Google Classroom, let's see, well, this is my classroom. It just brings you back to your classroom lesson page. Oh, so this is your work. Oh, this is important. On this side, it will show you your work that was turned in, the project, okay? And if you need to unsubmit it for whatever reason, you can unsubmit it. I'm not going to click on it because I don't want to unsubmit my work. And you can add some private comments to me if you'd like, okay? All right, guys, I just am excited. That's it. Finish what you got to do. Turn it in. Looking forward to hearing what you're going to create.